Vio Bank is headquartered in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Specifically, its physical home address and corporate base of operations are tied to its parent institution, operating out of Oklahoma City, where corporate administrative tasks and official correspondence are managed at its main office on Northwest Grand Boulevard and through its designated postal box routing. Understanding where an online-only financial entity anchors its physical operations requires looking at the corporate structure behind the web interface. Vio Bank functions entirely as a digital division rather than a traditional brick-and-mortar storefront with local neighborhood branches. Because digital banks operate without physical teller windows, ATM networks, or local walk-in lobbies scattered across different states, consumers often search for their home base to verify legitimacy, regulatory jurisdiction, and corporate backing. The physical anchor point provides that tangible link, showing that behind the mobile application and online portal lies a firmly established brick-and-mortar corporate presence. The institution operates as a specialized online division of MidFirst Bank. MidFirst Bank stands as one of the largest privately owned banks in the United States, bringing a massive asset foundation, deep liquidity, and long-standing financial stability to its digital banking arm. MidFirst Bank itself is rooted deeply in Oklahoma City, which is why Vio Bank shares that exact geographic corporate lineage. This corporate lineage means that while you interact with Vio Bank strictly through a smartphone app, browser login, or customer service phone line, the strategic decisions, legal compliance, and executive management are centralized in Oklahoma. Operating out of Oklahoma City allows the bank to leverage the robust corporate infrastructure of its parent organization while keeping overhead costs low. Traditional banks spend billions of dollars maintaining physical branches, paying commercial rent in high-density downtown districts across multiple states, and staffing physical teller lines. By centralizing its headquarters in Oklahoma City and choosing an internet-only model, Vio Bank bypasses these massive overhead expenses. These saved operational costs directly influence the financial products they offer to the public, primarily allowing them to pass higher yields back to consumers through competitive high-yield online savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit. The headquarters location also dictates the regulatory and legal framework governing the institution. Being anchored in Oklahoma City places its operations under specific state and federal banking oversight guidelines in the United States. Furthermore, deposits held through Vio Bank are fully protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, drawing on the FDIC membership of its parent institution. This means that up to the statutory limits set by federal law, customer funds remain secure, backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government, with all regulatory compliance coordinated from the corporate headquarters. Mail correspondence, official document processing, and corporate governance are all managed from the Oklahoma City location. If account holders ever need to mail physical documentation, formal inquiries, or specific forms, correspondence is directed straight to their corporate processing center in Oklahoma City. This centralized system ensures that even though customers might be accessing their funds from thousands of miles away while traveling or sitting at home, every transaction and account detail is securely processed and monitored from their central administrative hub. The digital shift in modern banking means that physical addresses matter less for daily transactions and more for institutional trust. Knowing that Vio Bank is anchored in Oklahoma City as a division of a stable, multi-billion-dollar private institution provides clarity on who holds the financial keys. It bridges the gap between the invisible nature of cloud-based digital finance and the concrete reality of corporate accountability, ensuring that account holders understand the exact institutional ecosystem supporting their money.